Hi, this is lesson 6-1, Addition and Subtraction Equations. Our goal for today is I can write and solve addition and subtraction equations. The vocabulary in this lesson is defining the variable, choosing a variable to represent an unknown value. In this lesson, we are basically defining the variable. So what does that mean? Finding the missing number in an equation, then solving the equation, very similar to what we've been already doing. Let's explore. So on Monday and Tuesday, Audrey walked a total of 7 blocks. If she walked 3 blocks on Tuesday, how many blocks did she walk on Monday? The equation x plus 3 equals 7 represents this situation. So you can solve this equation by using mental math. In the past, we were just practicing writing equations, but now we're going to write the equation and solve it. So an example, if we solve x plus 3 equals 7, you know that 4 plus 3 equals 7, right? So let's just replace the variable x with 4. So x would equal 4. So we know that on Monday she walked 4 blocks. Let's try a subtraction problem. So if we solve y minus 6 equals 8, so you have to think about what the variable y, what number or digit would replace that y. So first we're going to write the equation, y minus 6 equals 8. Think what number minus 6 is equal to 8. You know that 14 minus 6 equals 8, so we can let y equal 14. Does that make logical sense? Yes, because if we add 6 plus 8, it's equal to 14. Remember, addition just undoes subtraction, subtraction undoes addition. So, write and solve equations. At the school festival, the total cost of a hamburger and a soft drink is $5. If the drink costs $2, what is the cost of the hamburger? So we're going to pick out the important words. The cost of the hamburger plus the cost of a drink is $5. So we know the total already, right? So we're going to kind of work backwards here. So we can let h represent the cost of the hamburger since that's what we need to find out in this problem. So h plus 2 equals 5. Do you see how we wrote that expression with using the information from the problem? So if h plus 2 equals 5, what number plus 2 is equal to 5? Did you say 3? Yes. So h plus 2 equals 5. We're going to replace the variable h with 3. So now we can solve that equation. 3 plus 2 equals 5. So the cost of the hamburger is $3. Are you understanding? Pause the video and work the practice problems. So if you have h plus 4 equals 8, what would h be? Did you say 4? So we're going to let h equals 4. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. What about x minus 9 equals 8? So let x equal 17. 17 minus 9 equals 8. You kind of have to think about, working backwards a little bit here. If you don't know your facts right off the top of your head, you can always take the sum and then add it to your factor. So how do you feel about this lesson? Are you a 3? Where I can write and solve addition and subtraction equations with no problem. A 2? I'm starting to understand how to write and solve addition and subtraction equations, but I'm maybe confused on how to pick the missing variable, or you're not understanding how to pick the information out of a word problem. You need to write those questions down and make sure that you bring them back to class. Or a 1, I don't understand how to write and solve addition and subtraction equations. You'll need to let me or Mrs. Chabranda know right away when you get back to class if you're really confused, so we can pull you aside right away and help you. Have a great day.